So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to put reels on story. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. So this is the home page of your Instagram. You can simply click on reels icon here. So now if you want to put these memes or these reels in your story, so tap on share icon here and you can see the option called add to story. So again tap on it. So this is your story. You can adjust it by grabbing your both fingers or adjusting your both fingers. Now you can simply click on your story or close friend, or you can add on arrow icon here and you can see the option called share. If everything is right, then tap on share icon here, then your story will be publicly shared. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.